Good morning, Way fam, from Kuta, Bali, Indonesia.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell for more of our adventures.
Let's go. All right, it is approximately 6:10. There we go, as you can see.
We woke up with the sun today.
Yeah, it's bright and early.
Yeah, our flight this morning is at 8:30 a.m. So we're here 2 hours early just to make sure that we get in. I don't know that we needed to do that, but we're here.
Tell the people where we're headed today, Ash.
Today we're going to the Philippines. Today we are taking Cebu Airlines, Cebu Pacific is what it's called. We've never taken it before. It's a Philippines airline. Usually like within the Philippines, if you want to get from place to place, this is a good airline to get, but they do charge extra for baggage. Unfortunately, we had to pay that, but so far so good. My bag just keeps getting heavier and heavier.
Problem, we learned that our bags will not be making the connection flight.
That's so lame. I booked the same airline just to in hopes that it would go directly through, but it doesn't. So in Manila, we have to get off the plane, go get our luggage, recheck in, which we have 5 hours there, which means we have to wait 3 hours before checking in.
Yeah, does that mean that we can't actually get back into the airport for 3 hours?
No, yeah, so maybe the thing is we don't leave the airport, but I'm not sure.
We'll see. Maligaya pagdating sa Manila. I think that means welcome to Manila, but I probably said it wrong. You tried, Ashley.
No. We are doing a domestic flight after an international flight, so we have to check into the country first by going through immigration.
Yes, that's always fun when you get to grab your bags and go through immigration.
Hopefully immigration's before we get our bags.
Yes, that'd be so nice. We just came through immigration and now we're picking up our luggage. Easy peasy, we were given an immigration form on the plane. Before we boarded the plane, however, they did ask to see our ongoing travel tickets.
Yeah,
like
they
proof
wanted
that we
to
were
make
leaving.
sure we were leaving the Philippines. So yeah, just be sure when you come to the Philippines to have a ticket that's leaving.
For sure. $10,000. Looks like we're gonna have to declare because you look like $1 million.
Thanks. Because I know we definitely don't have $10,000 on this.
Actually, you're not feeling very well. That plane took a ton of turns.
I feel like our pilot was like a crazy driver and just was like turning like crazy turns the whole way in. So now my stomach is really sick and I have a headache. So we need to eat something stat. I know that when I say that I'm sick, I need to eat something. It doesn't make any sense, but it just works for me, I guess. When I'm like motion sickness, I have to eat something. Something in me to throw up, I guess. Does that make any sense? We're waiting for our bags. Hopefully they'll get here soon. Or hopefully they'll be here. Period.
Yeah, period. So our final destination today is Puerto Princesa, and we were told by people who've been there before that the ATMs may or may not work very well there. So we stopped here at Manila and we used the ATM, It was fine, other than having to call my bank over Skype and get them to turn my card back on. Other than that, works great.
Really fluffy.
All checked in, luggage is accounted for, but you know what? It's 2 right now, and our flight is until 7. They let us check our bags. How cool is that?
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I think because it's a domestic airline, like
Yeah.
they just pretty much check everyone in.
And they
so-
are like the major airline. They have
Yeah.
like 3 islands all to themselves. Already I'm so excited about the food here in the Philippines. I got longsinga, which has longaniza in it, as well as garlic rice, fried egg, and salsa bits, I guess.
I'm gonna stay a little light because my tummy and I have a huge headache, so I got a chicken salad.
Classic Filipino food. So if you don't know what longaniza is, it's a sweet Filipino sausage. We actually had this on our Seattle food tour. If you want to check that out, I'll link up above as well. But this, I love this. And this is really good. This particular one. Oh wow, it's not like as sweet as some of them either. It's got like a lot of spice to it. I like that a lot. I think I'm gonna be very happy here with the food. All right, 5 hours at Mrs. Field's Cafe later.
The only place where we could find a plug-in for Josh for
No,
his computer.
we looked over this entire airport. That is the only plug I found.
Yeah.
I didn't have a security guard standing in front of it.
So we got lucky, and now we're headed to our plane.
Interestingly, it is against the law or rules here to sit on the floor, so you have to be like seated or standing.
I saw people sleeping on things too, and security guards
Yep.
went up and told them to get up.
Yep, so they're pretty strict here about security. But I guess let's find our gate.
Yeah, it's only an hour and a half flight, so not so bad.
Mm-hmm.
Almost there. Travel's almost over.
Except Ashley just told me what time our wake up is tomorrow morning.
I told you it was going to be early. I tried to warn you.
Oh my gosh. Tune in next time for how early we wake up. It's a little tight.
Yeah, we always wait till we're the last ones on the plane because we can fit our stuff underneath the seat. But if we need to fit stuff up top, it's always full. So we'd have to get in line immediately. But I'm glad we know that our stuff is small. I'll just put it down there.
All right, we have arrived at a place called Bamboo Nest.
Yeah.
As you can tell, we are surrounded by bamboo.
It is crazy,
Yeah.
but really exciting. Like, this is a new country for us. We've never been to the Philippines ever, and so everything that we see is just new. But it is dark.
It's dark out, so we haven't actually seen anything yet.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, we have a very early morning time, and we are headed on a tour to see one of, supposedly, the 7 natural wonders of the world. We'll find out more about that tomorrow.
Yeah, but I hope we encouraged you guys to get out and travel today. Today was a chill travel day. We had nothing go wrong today, which was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I guess we'll see you in the next video.
Good night, and goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.
in Filipino.
Yeah, I was thinking you were gonna say it in Filipino, but
I need to look that up.
No
tomorrow.
bye.